Guys, welcome to the channel again. Today I just want to share with you guys, I did a quick review on this before, but I've used it a couple of times and I just wanted to do like another quick recap on what I think about it and if this is something worth buying as a DIYer or you shouldn't buy it. This is that DEWALT table saw DWE7485 and this is an 8 1/4 table saw, so it's pretty decent. It is portable. I like this thing. I've done a lot of moving it all over the place to do my housing stuff and fixing and doing those type of stuff, and the thing works amazing. So I just wanted to guys just walk through it a little bit again just to let you guys know and maybe plug it in and so you guys can hear how powerful the thing is. It works amazing. So if you like stuff like this, stick around and I'll show you right now. Oh well, so on this side you have this crank thing to crank this right here blade. It is very smooth and it works amazing. And up here, once the saw is up like this, you can always remove this if you wanted to. This one comes out like that, and there's a metal stuff down here. It's no plastic in here. The plastic is probably the outside, like this stuff like that, but in interior here, like the motor and where the saw is mounted is all metal and stuff. Okay, so I can put this back. This one goes really back like that, and then you lock it. There's an open button right here, and like a little sign here that says open. If you turn it like that, and then this is the lock. You lock it like that. Now, if you try to move it, it will not come out. But that's how you bring the saw up with moving this. So you can rotate it back and turn it back on, back down. Okay. And then on this side, this is where almost pretty much where everything is. This is the on and off button. Hope you can see it. This is like the emergency one. If you push this, it will turn off, but this is the on button right there. All right. But if you had to like stop it right away, if you push this, it will stop this all immediately. Okay. But that's basically it. You can also block that so it's not by accident just turn on. But you can open it like that. So to cover this, you use this plastic thing and it will lock it like that. So you don't by accident push the on button when you're not ready. And then this is the stuff to tilt this thing. Tilt the saw. You want to cut like 45s and stuff, because this can cut 45s. You use this to tilt it to 45. But right now it's just on a 90. If you can see, it's on a 0 right here. That's a 9. So I just leave it like most of the time so you can cut straight right here. All right. And then this here, this is how you move this side sliding thing on the side here. I always struggle with how to move this around. But basically this locks, push it here. It locks this sliding extension thing on the side here. This slides on the side. So if you drop this, and then on this side, this comes up like that. I'll put it back so you guys can see. So you put this back here, it goes like that, and this goes back here. And then on this side also, you just lift it like that, and then it locks. There's this extension thing on the side here. That's what I was trying to do. It locks on both sides, here and here. And to take it off, you take that part, and then it falls, and then it looks like that. And inside of it, you got this plastic thing to push your wood. This, and I just like how this thing is like very organized. Like everything has this space where to put it in. So when you take your saw, you're not forgetting other pieces at home. Everything has a place for it on the saw itself. Okay, so then it locks in there, and then this can drop also like that, or you can push it all the way back. Okay. What else should I show you guys? Maybe on the bottom. The bottom looks like that. If you can see, it's all metal. Maybe. I don't know what type of metal is this. Like maybe plastic, but this is metal. This is like aluminum. It looks like more aluminum, so it's lighter. All right, this is aluminum. It's not like the heavy stuff. Aluminum on the base. The motor is right there, and then on this side you got your power cable right here, and then on this side you got this guard. I have a video. If you don't know how to put the guard, watch my other videos. I did put a video how to take it out or how to put it here on this when you're cutting, how to put it over here. Watch that video if you're interested in that. And then look at this. This thing has its own space also. Like everything just looks so cool. How they thought about how to keep everything on the saw, so when you leave, you're not leaving anything at home. So basically that's what it is. That's how it is. I know a lot of people like to hear. I do get a lot of questions about, is it powerful? How does it work? So I'm gonna plug it in here so you guys can hear how powerful the thing is. Okay. And I'm gonna record another video. I got some projects coming up, and I will show you guys how the thing rips through wood like nothing. It's amazing. All right, so I'm gonna plug it right there. So when you plug it on there like that, then you find you're gonna be on this side for sure, because that's the front. And then basically you remove the plastic that I put on there to cover the on button, and then you just push the on button. And that's the emergency thing that I was talking about, the red thing here. But the thing is powerful. It is really, really good. Okay, so basically that's all I wanted to show. If you have any questions before you go buy this, I love it. It fits in my track perfectly. I can fit this, and I can fit my compressor, but it's made by DEWALT. I can fit my Midas also. I'm a DEWALT guy. So if you have any questions, let me know, and I'll be able to answer it before you go buy yours. I do watch YouTube myself before I can buy anything, just to see some reviews and stuff, so I know what I'm buying. Okay, but I just wanted to show you guys a little bit about this. If you have any question, let me know, and I'll be happy to help. Later.